y'all, this is Jas. Welcome back to my channel. So today we're actually gonna be doing the 3-strand twist method. And yes, I have been watching so many YouTube videos trying to learn this, but we gonna try it today. Y'all, my hair is freshly washed, and as you can see, my hair is kind of drying, so it's freezing up, but I want more definition, so we're gonna try the 3-strand twist. What I'm gonna be using today is the As I Am collection. It is the Twist Defining Cream. Don't know if you can see that for real, but I will link it down below. I've had great success with this cream, especially like with my mini twist video. I'll link that down below. But this cream gave me great definition and shine. So we gonna stick with what you know and do this As I Am Twist Defining Cream. What I'm gonna do is part my hair in 6 sections because I want my hair to not have a tight curl. And then I'm gonna show you how I do these 3-strand twists, y'all. So if you're interested in this, just keep on watching. Also, if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to the channel and we'll be done with the video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. All right, y'all, let's get into it. So I lied in the first part of the video when I said I was doing 6 parts. It's actually gonna end up being 7 because I want like my hair swoop to this side. So far we have this. And y'all, your parts ain't gotta be straight for this, okay? Like you literally just plait it up and taking it down. So I'm gonna show y'all how to do it on this side. My hair has gotten kind of frizzy during this process since it's dried during the course of me doing the rest of these twists. So I'm just gonna re-wet it with my spray bottle. My spray bottle actually has water and leave-in conditioner in there. So here is my spray bottle. Just gonna damp it a little bit. I'm gonna comb the moisture through. Then I'm gonna take my Twist Defining Cream and put it on this section of hair. I'm going to comb that through as well. And just for a bag up, I'm also gonna put this Eco Styler gel on there. Y'all, I swear by this stuff. If you don't have it, you sleep. Gonna comb that through too. Now, y'all, my hair got a little bit of heat damage. Y'all see how straight it is right there? But you know, we gotta work with what we gotta work with. All right, so to stretch my roots, because you know you have shrinkage sometimes with these twist outs, I'm just gonna start plaiting like normal here. And you can plait down as much as you want. I would say about 2 or 3 times though. Some people actually flat twist, but I'm too lazy for that, so I'm just gonna braid it down. All right, so you see you got your 3 sections here. All right, so you're just gonna take this section that's in your right hand and wrap it around. But you gotta make sure you keep these 2 subsections separated, so it looks like this. And make sure you keep it separated. And so, at first, you're gonna be definitely tempted to start braiding, but don't. Just keep wrapping this piece that's in your right hand around and keeping these sections separate. Just think, wrap, separate, wrap. It's definitely frustrating at first. But before you know it, you'll be down to the bottom and you're gonna feel accomplished like me. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of product and put it at the bottom, since I guess the bottom of my hair was still kind of dry. Then at the very bottom, I just put it together and then do a regular twist. Then I kind of loop it around in my finger to get a little curl. All right, so that's done. And then we got one more to do. I'll repeat. You're gonna start with a plait. To stretch your roots. And then whatever piece is in your right hand, you take that and you wrap it around. But make sure you keep these two subsections separated. And you just go. I promise y'all, the more experience you get with this, you'll do this so fast. When I first started, it would take me like 5 minutes to do one twist. But now, I can do it in like maybe 1 minute. The key is rearranging your hands. All right, so we close to the bottom, so I'm just gonna do 2 strands at the bottom. And then finger coil. So here, oh, girl. I'll smooth them down later. So here are the twists. At first I was gonna let these air dry, but I got some stuff to do. I'm thinking about going running, but I don't wanna look like buckwheat going around the neighborhood. So I'm just gonna sit under the dryer, probably be about an hour, and then we'll come back and take these down. So to dry my hair, I actually be using a Softhood Dryer that I got from Amazon. It connects to your regular blow dryer. Just make sure you have it on low heat setting when you connect it. So after about an hour, I decided to check my hair and see if it was dry. It was about 90% dry, so I decided to go ahead and take it down. I decided to use some Palmer's olive oil conditioning spray to rub on my hands and rub through the twist to make them more moisturized. I love this oil. It's really light and it keeps down on frizz. Now, when you are taking down your twist, you want to be very careful that you don't tangle your hair and that you don't cause any unnecessary frizz. I know here it looks like I'm taking my hair down really fast, but I sped it up for the video. Now, once my twists are down, I'm going to use a pick to fluff out my sections. My hair was looking super flat, so I was like, girl, you need to pick this out. I will say that in the back, I actually picked it out a little too much and caused it to be a little puffy, but that's okay. I used the Eco Style olive oil gel to slick down the front and pin it back. Overall, I'll say this turned out okay. For me to have about 6 or 7 thumbs, as I call it, in my hair, the curls turned out defined. Next time, I'll probably just do a flat twist at the root and then do the ends as a 3-strand twist for more definition. I hope you enjoyed this video on 3-strand twist. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video.